virginity to the Blue Brothers, I'll just die. Ugh, whatever.
Like I get...
Hey, what up, my nigga?
Hey! Ooh.
Hey, get up!
Dick! Christ!
Man,
Hey!
what it do? Hey, dog, it's gonna get better, trust me.
Hey! Oh.
Nobody playing on my phone.
You still hard,
She a fucking klepto.
Dios! I'm gonna fuck you!
Oh, you wanna get up?
You piece of scum!
Oh! Fuck me in the ass!
Hey. Hey, dog, it's gonna get better, trust me.
Peace to you.
Yo, that's my boy Franklin! ¿Cómo estás?
Amo a todas las mujeres, pero para mí...
¡Mi madre!
Who you think you fighting, fool? Move! Hey, get up!
¡Te voy a asesinar!
Hi. What you doing?
Hello.
You happy? What's up with you?
Hi there.
I want to hit up Frontalot later and get a t-shirt. Damn.
Anti-depression,
Kick
man.
that man's
That just
ass when I
depresses
come over for dinner on Sunday.
Of course.
Okay, got.
Acabó. They're gone, bro.
Keep on going, dog. You hear me?
Hey,
Think I'm sick.
Hey, babe.
Hey, honey.
Hey. Hey, dude.
Hey,
Hey, what's up with you? Hey, how you doing?
I'm tired of hearing about damn austerity. They gonna cut my pay cause the banks are fucked? Shit.
Hey, dog, it's gonna get better, trust me.
Hey,
Lately, my bladder got a mind of its own. I guess that's the menopause acting up.
hell yeah.
Hey, what up, my nigga?
Oh, man, this is awful. San Andreas is a freaking death trap. Oh, man, this is... 187 was not their lucky number.
2 weeks clean. 2 of the worst weeks of my life. Sucks.
How you doing, sweetie?
I don't need a maid. I put food on my own table. I can unclog a toilet, and the good Lord gave me long fingers for everything else.
Bang! Them Illuminati, motherfucker!
I need to smoke something and calm my ass down.
Like the strip club? You sure it was me you met there? Maybe.
Hey, how you doing?
Papi.
Yo.
I might do a little dance for my hand.
Hey,
No, just on my...
hey, what's up, baby?
Hey, honey. We're getting out.
Yourself right now.
Hey, what's up with you?
Hey, honey.
Hey there, sweetheart.
All right now.
Yes.
Move your ass, Franklin, baby!
What the fuck?
Oh, you wanna get up?
I feel like I'm living in paradise, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, what's up, homie? Yeah, you know me.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
Yo, what's up? Hey,
where
how
are
you
you?
doing?
Hello.
What the?
What's good, man? Damn.
Cracking, homie.
Yo, what's up?
Well, my man sure loves... Does Inspector Knickers sell those?
This some crazy shit.
Okay, and what about restraints and handcuffs and all that good stuff? Y'all got that too?
up, babe?
I know he ain't shit, because he love me.
There.
Oh!
I know it's a recession, but I think.
Hey.
This whole.
Hi.
Ah!